Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about how to set up Fibonacci GridNet on crypto. This is like specific trade that we're doing in our Discord group. It's a bit complicated and not so many people understood how to properly use it. And in this video I'm going to explain it and show exactly how you should set it up. So before we get into it, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video and join our Discord community. Link for it you can find below in the description. Let's get into any coin. We will use high time frames such as 1 hour, 4 hours on daily time frame, and how to set up proper Fibonacci GridNet. So we need tool on TradingView. You can find it right here. It calls Fibonacci retracement. I will show you the settings. What we're doing, we finding higher high, and we need to find higher low. So a moment of last big move with a higher volume, like this, for example. We're looking at daily right now. So we're starting from higher high to higher low over the last move. So this is our GridNet. What we're gonna do next? So we identify our GridNet. So important thing that you have to know about it. First of all, before you use it, before you start using this method, you need good price action, right? So if you don't have good price action here on a big time, you're not gonna succeed in this strategy. I will show you some examples what I don't want to see when I use this specific strategy when I trade crypto. Then what you need slow pullback, accumulation, etc. Right? When price goes slowly going down, so you can just, how to check it, you can just count bars and you see how fast we've been going up. So in this case we've been going up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, and look how slowly we're going down. We're going down already almost 11 bars, right? So in this case it's okay. I also show you examples when we have slow growth and then slow pullback. This is not good, and we don't work this types of instrument when we're trading this strategy. Also, volume should be going down. Volume should be going down. So volume should be going down. This is very important. As you can notice here, we slowly going down, volume going down, right? Your Fibonacci Fibonacci grid should be on important key levels, such as fair value gaps, mitigation blocks, order blocks, etc., etc. You can jump between time frames, and you will see that in this 0.5 fib, this is here, this is mitigation block, right? And we'll be consolidating in 0.5 Fibonacci zone. Next my zone will be 0.6 zone, and again what we see here, same story. And also we have fair value gap here, etc., etc. So this is very important. If you use your Fibonacci retracement net correctly, your Fibonacci levels will be in importance zones. That's all like for now. What we're gonna do next, we're gonna split our order to 3 orders. So 20% on the first net, 30% on next net, and 50% on the last net. Fill, and break even. Or keep. When I have like strong uptrend, like we're having like here on big time, you can keep like this position. For example, if all like your 3 levels would be filled, you can keep these positions. It's completely fine. But if you're working with a strategy on low time frames, such as like 15 minutes or like 1 minute, like 1 hour time frame, I highly recommend you, if like your third position would be filled, you just like cut your trade as soon as you get to like break even. I will show you like examples like when this strategy helped me to avoid like major like losses. You also using this strategy when market going like up and down and like crazy, when you have like huge volatility on the market. So you have like two plays and 2 setups that you can use. So if you see like market is strong and you wanna keep like these levels, and you see that the price not going down hard, you can set your entry on 0.618, 0.5, and 0.382. So you're gonna like set like 20% of your like entire like position here on 0.6, 30% you're gonna set limit orders on 0.5, 30% of your position will be here, and your insurance will be on 0.382. When you see when the market like going like this, like we have it now, you can just like move a bit like down, and you will start like filling your positions from 0.5, 0.382, and 0.236. With this like filament, your average like will be in 0.309. This is like your will be your average entry when all like 3 limit orders will be filled. If we're talking about if we're using like first strategy with first setup, your average entry will be around this level. You can do like some back test, and I will show you like really good results by using this strategy. I personally prefer to use like second setup, but my partner that I'm working with, it's the DPS. You can see his like place in Discord. He prefer like using like more aggressive with 0.618 and like lower. So how to calculate like how to calculate position size and like risk. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, split your order. So I highly recommend you to use at least 1 to 4% a risk on this strategy, because it's like usually in high time frames, and more likely price will like bounce, because if price straight going down, it will be black swan event, and it's like part of the risk because it's crypto. But with uptrends that we're having now and all criteria matched, I don't think this will happen. But still, follow risk management. Don't need to put like 10-20%. of your entire like position, of your entire account on this position, try to use like some like small amount, like 1 2 till like 4%. So you need to like put like 20% of your, let's say like we're using like 2% on like this position, right? So this is this example. So we're using like 2%. With 2% like on the entire position, we're gonna put like 20% on 0.5 Fibonacci level. 20, we can also like use 25% and 25% on like 2 levels. It's okay, you can just play around, but I prefer using 20 and 30. In this case your average entry will be a bit lower, but it's not a big of a deal. So how to calculate it? So we're using like 20%, which is like 0.4% of like my total risk. So let's say my entire account, so my capital is like $10,000, right? So I'm gonna risk like 2% of my like I'm gonna lose, let's say I'm losing like 2%. My loss is gonna be $200. So if my stop will be activated, which is like around 0.19, I'm gonna lose $200. So this is my loss, potential loss, $200. Now then so my potential loss like $200. How to calculate like my position size like on the entire position? I have to see how many percent from my average entry, if all my 3 positions will be activated, how much percent till my stop. In this case it's a 56%. So 56%, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna use like my potential loss to like 200. I will divide on 0.56, and this is like amount I'm gonna use on this trade. So $357, so let's say like $360. So like my entire like position will be $357. By the way, you can use like as many nets as you like. In my setup, like when I'm using the strategy, I have like 20 nets. So I have like on 20 different instruments. So if like I have if like my order will be activated while I'm asleep, I'm not afraid, because order will be executed while I'm asleep and I'm completely fine with it. So my position size $360. It's like you have to, how to calculate it, you have to get stop, so how to get it, you use your potential loss, you divide by a stop in percent, right? No, so for example it's gonna be $200. It's like divide your potential loss on average stop in percent. So in this case divide by 0.56, and this is like how I calculate my position size. So I'm gonna use in this case 20% of $360 here, which is $72, $72. Then we're gonna use in 30%, which is $102. $102, and the rest, and 186. I'm gonna use in this on this now. So again, if you're gonna use like strategy 0.5, 0.38, and 0.23, you have to just use the same but on different levels. Okay, so this is how you calculate your potential loss. This is how you calculate your position size. Also, this is like on our Discord server. We have like criteria how to identify this like specific instruments for this specific strategy. This is like criteria that you have to follow when you're using like this strategy. So I will put it here so you can see it. Also, you can be able to find it on our Discord server. So far, what are you gonna do next? You set this up, and how are you gonna take your profit? There are like two strategies that you can use in this strategy. So first strategy, for example, you got filled only on 0.68 level. You're gonna take your profit at 0.78, or maybe you will take it till level 1 Fibonacci. Another strategy, you just keep your take on like 1 Fibonacci or 168, depends on the chart. You can take your profit here. You can take your profit a bit like higher on like key levels, etc. It just like help you. This strategy helps you to build like position and don't miss your opportunity to make money. That's it. So another is like two strategy. You keep in your position or you take in on the first chance. So on the first Fibonacci level higher than it was filled. If it's like a huge drop like it was here, right? You like have like two positions activated, and your average take will be right here. So you're gonna close your positions around this level. That's it. Or you can keep this position if you build a long-term portfolio for a longer time. Now I'm gonna show you examples like when I use a strategy. So just like today, I've been like using strategy by using it like on this coin. It's called like TIA. So I set my limit order right here on 0.65 fib. 61 fib, 0.61 fib, right? And it was executed right here. As you can see, it went down. So I wasn't worried. I put like 0.5% risk on this specific limit order, and I got a nice 0.25% profit on this trade. Simple, right? Examples that you don't want to see. This is examples that you don't want to use a strategy. You see how aggressively we went down. So as you can see, we went down like pretty quick without like pullback, like straight down. So when you see something like this, you don't want to use, you don't want to apply the strategy like here on this coin. That's it. Pretty much it's all. So just let's go like step by step again. what you have to do. Try to use it on high time frames, like 1 hour till like daily time frame, right? You also have to have like big like trading volume, above like 1 million, or grow leaders with volume was like 500k, so just like new listed coins with a good like price action. Correct like structural growth, so it's gonna be like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low on high time frames. So you also have to do like some kind of back test, like you will see how coin acts. Like you have to like look at it. Split orders just agreed like between 0.6 till 0.38 or 0.5 till 0.23 and 20, 30, 50, right? Stop limit must be located under 0.55 FIB, which is like you can see it here. And it can be, as I said, it can be global for like 1 hour to like daily, and like from 50 minutes to like 1 hour if you like doing it in front of like your trading terminal. 8-year growth waves, not like many people knows it, but you can just Google it, and it will be like better if you just like read about it, and I don't need to explain you what it's exactly. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have like any question, feel free to message in Discord. We have like trading community, we have like a chat where people communicate. Also we sharing our calls in crypto, forex, and stock market. And if you have also any questions, like feel free to ask in our chat. Have a nice day.